Hello all the students. First of all, I really thank you for the amazing response for our earlier videos. This motivated us to provide you the more interesting video series. Problem statements of the programming round of different companies. TCS, Capgemini, Persistent, so many others. Here onwards, we will cover the latest interesting problem statement. So tighten your seat belt and let's ride in the world of programming. Here our first problem statement comes missing character. This problem statement appeared in the basic programming round of Persistent 2020. Let's start. Problem statement. A company provides network encryption for secure data transfer. The data string is encrypted prior to transmission and gets decrypted at the receiving end. But due to some technical error, the encrypted data is lost and the received string is different from the original string by one character. Arnold, a network administrator, is tasked with finding the character that got lost in the network so that the bug does not harm other data that is being transferred through the network. Write an algorithm to help Arnold find the character that was missing at receiving end but present at sending end. The problem statement is very simple and straightforward. If you want to read it again and understand in detail, then you can pause this video. Okay, so now we see the input. The input consists of two space separated strings, string sent and string received, representing the string that was sent through the network and the string that was received at the receiving end of the network respectively. As two strings separated by space is the output, we can use scanf in C, in C++, next line in Java, input in Python. So syntax changes with the language. Hence we don't focus on any of this language here. We concentrate on logic building and development, but for the implementation I will use the C. Output. Print a character that was lost in the network during transmission, and if there is no data loss during transmission, then print NA. Here you can observe two categories of the output. First, both strings are same, means no character loss and NA is the output. Second, one character is missing in the second string, so we are supposed to find that particular missing character and print it. Let's see test cases now. First test case. Input string is first string sent A B C D F J G E R J and string received is A B C D F J G E R. Here it is observed that the first string has 10 characters and the second string has 9 characters. One character is missing at the receiving side, so we need to find the missing character in the second string. Here we compare these two strings character by character. It means the first character of the first string is compared with the first character of the second string. Then the second character of the first string is compared with the second character of the second string. It goes on up to the last character. Here we find J at the end of the sent string was lost in the network during transmission. So here expected return value or output is J. Now we see the test case 2. So here two input strings are given and it is observed that the first string has 9 characters, the second string has 8 characters, which indicates that one character is missing in the second string. So we apply the same process of comparing two strings character by character. So the answer comes out B. Now we start writing the things to be done in the program. First, accept two strings. Then check the length of the strings using inbuilt function string length, or here you can compare two strings using inbuilt function strcmp, that is string comparison. Both are absolutely fine. Third, if both strings are same, then print NA. If both strings are not same, then the second string must be less than one character than first string. So start checking for the missing character. Once the missing character is found, then print that character. So here I start writing the code. First I complete all the basic things like a header file, main function, variable declaration, and then I accept input strings. So here using scanf function, 2 strings are accepted. Now next we go for the next thing. Here we have first option to calculate the length of the strings and then compare these lengths. But I am using second option, that is using string comparison function to compare the string. If both strings are the same, then it returns true and we will print NA. Otherwise it returns false and we will go in else block to find the missing character. As we don't know about the position of that missing character, it's better to use while loop. So we use I to point the character position in the strings. Initially we set I to 0 to start comparison with first character. Also we set flag to 0 and set the loop condition flag equal to 0. So this loop will continue as long as the flag is 0. Now inside the loop we compare ith position characters of both the strings. Ith character from both the strings, if don't match, then we can declare the character missing in the second string. And then we also set flag to 1 to come out of this while loop. We know that there is exactly one missing character, so we don't need to check the remaining characters. In the else block, where both characters are the same, we next increment I to consider the next position of the strings. In this way, the loop continues to find the missing character. So there are private or other hidden test cases also which are not visible to us. So it's important to the first test case where there is no missing character. It indicates both strings are the same and it should print NA. So output is NA. Now the other category is missing character is at any position within the string. Here the positions of the missing character can be first, in between and last. So there are other ways too you can implement the solution. So students, go ahead for your solution, but don't forget to check all these test cases. I hope you liked our video. Please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel and write in the comment section if you have any query, any suggestion or any other method to solve the problem and what you liked in our video. You can also write down the topic on which you want the next video. Bye bye, sayonara, see you in the next video.